Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today this video we will learn an essay. The topic of essay is my city. Number 1 is my city name is Lahore. Number 2 is Lahore is a beautiful city. Number 3 is it is the capital city of Punjab. Number 4 is it is a very big city. Number 5 is it has many historical places. Number 6 is it is the city of gardens. Number 7 is it is the cultural city. Number 8 is Lahore is the city of colleges. Number 9 is there is an international airport in Lahore. Number 10 is Lahore is famous for food. Number 11 is there is a big zoo in Lahore. Number 12 is Lahore is the second largest city in Pakistan. Number 13 is it is called the heart of Punjab. Number 14 is many tourists came here on daily basis. Number 15 is there is a tomb of Allama Iqbal in Lahore. Number 16 is I love my city very much. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.